welcome back to our Crochet in 5 Minutes series. Today we're working with single crochet. Last time we worked with starting a knot and a chain, and now we're going to build on a chain and make a single crochet. It's the most basic stitch. You need it for just about everything. So go ahead, get your yarn, and let's get started. So last time we talked about how to do a slip knot or a square knot. I prefer the slip knot, but you're welcome to learn either way. I'm going to start by chaining 20. You do not count this slip knot or square knot that you've tied onto your hook here. To start single crocheting, you're not going in the stitch next to your hook. Don't go in there. That'll just undo what you've just done. So not going in the first one, but you're going in the second chain from your hook. Right there, you stick your hook all the way through. Now you yarn over the hook, pull it through, then you yarn over the hook and pull it through again. So one more time. You don't go in the first chain from your hook, you go in the second, you go all the way through, yarn over, pull it through that chain, wrap the yarn over again, and pull it through both of those two loops that are already on your hook. That is a single crochet. Now you can single crochet along this whole row by going in each of these chains. So if you can see where I'm going in, at each time there is a chain or a loop, you work your hook right through there. If you're not sure if you've gone in the right place or not, there will be a gap. You can always pull and tug and it will make your loops a little bit bigger to see where you are going. So I can tell that I've gone through this loop right here. I've put a crochet in there, a single crochet. The next loop would be this one right here. Put my hook through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both of those loops on your hook. There's a single crochet. So go ahead and keep practicing that. Find the next hole, the next chain. Go through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Now we're to the end, and there was just that first slightly bigger loop where you did your slip knot and started chaining. You will also go through there. Don't leave it out. Pull it through, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Okay, so you've made it to the end of the row. You're ready to turn and go back. So you can just turn your work and go back, but the stitches on the end might be a little tighter, harder to work with. So I always chain one or sometimes more depending on the size of the stitch. I'm going to have you chain one. That's just where you yarn over and pull through, just like the chains we practiced last week. Now I turn my work and I'm going to single crochet back the same way. The stitches look a little different. They're actually a little easier to see where they are now. You don't go in right here at the end because that's where we just did a chain of one. You're going to be working in what looks like the second stitch from the hook, so not up here, right here. Okay, you're going to go through both of those loops. It kind of makes a little V. If you see all the way along here, you see a whole bunch of kind of little V's. Those are your stitches from your first row. So we're doing single crochet. That's where you just stick your hook through both of those, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Go in the next. If you can kind of see, we're going all the way through. There's your V's at the top. Pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. And you just keep going like this, back across every stitch on this row. Then you can chain one and turn, and keep going back and forth and back and forth. And that will just help you get some practice. If you keep going long enough, hey, you might have a nice nifty little scarf. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope this helps start your crochet journey. If you need more practice, go back to the video prior to this